Good day everyone, my name is Yusuf Reola Alimot, class number about 13A. I'll be a personal teacher on biology and I'll be taking estuarine habitat. First, what is estuarine habitat? Estuarine habitat is a body of water which is formed as a mixture of salt water from the sea and fresh water from the land. It can also be called brackish water. We have the type of estuarine, we have the delta, we have the lagoon, and we have the bay. A delta is the place where rivers divide into a channel before entering into the ocean. A lagoon is a body of water where water enters the land through a canal before entering the sea or ocean. A bay is a little or small portion of sea water which enters the land through river or stream. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Estuarine, group number 13B. I'm a personal teacher on characteristic of Estuarine habitat. As we all know, Estuarine habitat has to do with the mixture of sea and fresh water, resulting in the formation of brackish water. These are some of the characteristics. One is shallowness of water. The sea water is deep, while the Estuarine habitat water is shallow. The number two has to do with the high level of nutrients. The nutrient level in Estuarine habitat is very high. The number three, we have the low content in oxygen. The oxygen content in Estuarine habitat is very low. Thank you.
Class number about 13C. I'll be your personal teacher on biology, and I'll be discussing about the distribution of plants in estuarine habitats. Number one, we have the planktons, also known as the diatoms. They possess air space in their air tissues or force feet for the attachment to rock shores or air bladder for buoyancy. Number two, we have the algae. They possess chlorophyll for photosynthesis activities and small scale or large surface area for floating. Then number three, we have the red mangrove. It has slit roots go down from the stem down to the soft mud and develop numerous rootlets for conducting air spores into the air tissues of the roots. It gives the root support and helps prevent the plant from being washed away from tides. Then number four, we have the white mangrove. It has the few metaphors of breathing roots for exchange of gas. Thank you.
My name is Onidamlola Miracle, class number 13D. I'll be your personal teacher for today. So today we'll be talking about animals per se and their adaptive features. Number one, we have the mosquito larva and pupa. Number two, we have the crabs. Number three, we have the water shrimps and snails. Number four, we have the worms. Now these worms, they have a strong protective and impermeable covering against high salinity. Number five, we have the mud skippers. These animals are faint, adapted for crawling when on land and for swimming in water. And lastly, we have fish. Now fish like tilapia, they have fins for swimming or for movement in water. Now I'll be talking about the food chain in estuarine habitat. This food chain can be classified into 2, 3, or 4. I'll be mentioning some examples, which is diatoms to shrimps to fishes. Now these shrimps, they feed on diatom and fishes feed on shrimps.
My name is Bakoli Esther Abidemi, class number about 30E. I will be your personal teacher on biology. I'll be talking about the factors affecting estuarine habitats, such as humidity, pH, sunlight, temperature. In summary, as my colleague has said, estuarine habitat can be divided as the body of water where salt water from the sea meets with fresh water from the land, which can also lead to brackish water, or we can also call it brackish water. We have types of estuarine habitats. We have 1, we have the delta, 2, we have the lagoon, and 3, we have the bay. Then we move to the characteristics of estuarine habitats. Number 1, we have shallowness of water. Number 2, we have turbidity. Number 3, we have fluctuation in salinity. And number 4, we have low oxygen content. Then we also move to distribution of plants and animals to estuarine habitats. Then we have the adaptation of plants to estuarine habitats. Number 1, we have the planktons, which are also known as the diatoms. Number 2, we have the algae. Number 3, we have the red mangrove. And 4, we have the white mangrove. Then we move to adaptation of animal to estuarine habitats. We have the water snail or shrimps. We have the mosquito larva or pupa. We have the crab, and we have the fishes. Then we move to food chain in estuarine habitats. When we come to food chain in estuarine habitats, we can have 2, 3, or 4 trophic level in the food chain. For example, we have the diatoms, shrimps, and fishes, whereby the shrimps feed on the diatoms while the fishes feed on the shrimps. And lastly, the factors affecting the estuarine habitats, such as the sunlight,